internet, welcome back. This is Sierra and the family. Although none of them are paying attention, which is totally fine. Anyway, oh, there he is. Hi. Okay, so in today's video, as you can see, we are in the car because right now we are on the way to Costco. And the reason we wanted to make this video today is because every week we do make a video about our life in Japan, Lush being vegan and trying to live more sustainably. But when we make a Japan video, it's usually something like going into Tokyo for shopping day or going to the Light Museum or something really interesting. And I'm not saying this vlog won't be interesting, but it's going to be more of a like regular day in our life type video. But anyways, we are going to the Costco in Aruma, which is about 20 or so minutes away from where we live. Before we go to Costco, we're going to a really yummy sushi restaurant, which is literally across the street, and it's on the left side. And in Japan, you drive on the left side, so it's really easy to get in and back out. Also, when you leave the sushi restaurant and going into Costco, it's really easy from there, so because of the way you have to turn. So that's what we're going to do. This sushi restaurant is not a fully vegan sushi restaurant. I think it's called Zaru Sushi, but the sushi is pretty good. They have a handful of vegan options. They're not the most amazing vegan options, but they are pretty good for a regular sushi restaurant. So that's what we're going to do today. So now we are inside of the restaurant and we're at table number 53. When you come inside, there's a little robot guy that you have to tell what you want. You can choose English, Japanese, Chinese, and a couple other languages. I think someone is hungry. You want some water? Okay, can you wait a minute? And you get a little ticket and you can choose table or counter. Obviously you pick a table because we're at a table, and then you just go there. Sometimes you do have to wait outside, but it really doesn't take that long. Have we ever waited at this place? No. Okay. When you sit down at your table, there's a little sushi ordering screen like this, and that's how you order all of your sushi. You can choose anything that you want. Most stuff at this restaurant is 100 yen. If it's not 100 yen, it'll say specifically on it. So let's order some sushi. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Once you get to the sushi restaurant, the other thing that's a requirement you have to do is you make yourself a cup of free hot matcha. So basically what you do is you take the matcha and you pour it into your cup. I like about 3 good shakes. It's about what I have in there. And then you just add hot water. Ordered our sushi, well, some of our sushi. You're only allowed to order 4 items at a time for some reason. I don't know why, but that's just what happens. And something's already here. The pickled eggplant. I love this. This is my, I think it's the only vegan sashimi here, but I've also seen the bamboo sashimi and red pepper sashimi and a couple of other random veggies. But let's get into this. It's gonna be so yummy. Is it good? Yeah?
Are you cameraing my mechanism of eating? Devastation.
Can I say, the kid loves Costco. You want to be in the video? Hi! Hey! Addicted to the camera. Alright, so we are on our way down to Costco. The parking is upstairs and then you go back down. Anyways, we are all crazy full, shopping on full stomachs, which is a good idea because then you don't buy as much. But 3 people, $16 and 15 plates of sushi, and we're full, aren't we? Are you watching me? Yeah. Yeah, so now we're gonna go into Costco. Just like in the States, in Costco Japan, you do have to have a membership, but if you have an American-based membership, you can use it. In Japan, you just have to fill out a little piece of paper the first time you check out. If you ask your cashier, they'll know what to do, especially if you say American membership. Alright, guys, we're inside now, and Costco Japan is pretty much, honestly, the same as Costco in the United States or anywhere else. It's a huge store with lots and lots of stuff for cheaper. And they have almost all the same, not almost all, they have a lot of the same brands that you'll be able to get in the States. Plus they have like a big TV section. But I don't think they have optometry here, unless that's a lie, I'm not sure. But let's get to shopping.
What's he doing? Licking his hair. Make a mess.
He doesn't have a napkin.
Blueberries, yum.
Is it good? Yummy blueberries.
Here's yours, babe.
Yeah. What do you got there? Let me see it. Hold it up. That's the Nutrilux. This, along with many other reasons, is the reason that we still keep our Costco membership in Japan. Because you can't get vegan butter in Japan anywhere else. And it's cheaper. I think it's like 250 yen for this whole thing. It's about 1 kilo. I also have one that I make with coconut oil, but coconut oil costs more than this per kilo. So when we're at Costco, we pick it up.
Hey, Tom.
Yeah, you're only cheering because you're not the one who has to pay. Oh my goodness, look at all the damage. Goodness, how much can 3 vegans eat? We survived Costco again. How much did we spend this time?
Too much.
How much?
Not stating.
A lot. It was less than $200, but more than $150 if you compare it. But we only do this, what is it, like quarterly?
Yeah, about that.
So it's not that bad, especially because it's a lot of the frozen food that we either can't get very much of or that is really expensive, and a lot of produce, which half of it we eat and about half I would say that we freeze. So now we're gonna head home and unpack it all.